As the global population continues to grow and environmental challenges increase, the future of agriculture heavily depends on how we manage our soils. Soil is the foundation of all food production, and to ensure that we can feed future generations, we need to adapt to new innovations and technologies in soil management. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting future of soil management, focusing on groundbreaking innovations that promise to revolutionize the way we care for our soil and sustain our agriculture. One of the biggest innovations in soil management is the development of soil testing and monitoring technologies. With the help of modern tools like smart sensors, drones, and satellite imagery, farmers can now measure soil health with unprecedented accuracy. These technologies allow us to monitor soil pH, nutrient levels, moisture content, and microbial activity in real time. 1. Smart soil sensors. For instance, smart soil sensors can continuously monitor soil conditions and send the data to mobile apps or cloud-based platforms. This allows farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and other soil management practices, reducing waste and improving efficiency. 2. Drones and satellite imaging. Drones and satellite imaging are also being used to assess large areas of farmland. These technologies provide valuable insights into soil health, enabling farmers to identify problem areas like erosion or nutrient deficiencies and take corrective action quickly. Sustainable farming technologies are helping farmers manage soil health while reducing environmental impacts. These include innovations like no-till farming, precision irrigation, and bio-based fertilizers. 1. No-till farming. In no-till farming, farmers plant crops without disturbing the soil through plowing. This practice helps preserve soil structure, prevent erosion, and increase water retention. With the advancement of no-till drills, planting has become more efficient and less harmful to soil health. 2. Precision irrigation. With precision irrigation, water is delivered directly to the roots of crops, reducing water waste and improving soil moisture levels. This method is not only water efficient, but also ensures that soil is not oversaturated, which can lead to compaction. Bio-based fertilizers. Instead of relying on chemical fertilizers, bio-based fertilizers made from organic waste, manure, and compost are increasingly being used. These fertilizers enhance soil fertility naturally and support microbial life in the soil. Another exciting advancement is soil regeneration technologies, which focus on restoring degraded soils and improving their long-term fertility. Techniques like biochar application and composting are being used to improve soil structure, water retention, and nutrient cycling. 1. Biochar. Biochar is produced by heating organic material in a low-oxygen environment, creating a carbon-rich substance that can be added to soil. Biochar helps improve soil structure, retain water, and enhance microbial activity, making it a powerful tool for soil regeneration. 2. Composting innovations. Composting is also being revolutionized with new technologies that speed up the decomposition process and create high-quality compost that can be used to enrich the soil. AI is also playing an important role in the future of soil management. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI can analyze large amounts of soil data, identify patterns, and provide farmers with personalized recommendations on how to improve soil health. 1. AI-powered soil management systems. AI-powered systems can help farmers optimize their soil management practices by predicting soil nutrient needs, detecting diseases, and even recommending the best crops for specific soil types. In conclusion, the future of soil management is full of exciting innovations and technologies. With the help of advanced soil sensors, sustainable farming practices, and cutting-edge techniques like biochar and AI, we are entering a new era of soil health and sustainability. These innovations will help us feed a growing global population while protecting our environment for future generations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What new soil management technologies are you excited about?